Hello and welcome everyone. So, Miss Natasha, do you want to tell everyone what we're going to be drawing today?
Butterfly.
A butterfly, that's right. And what drawing supplies do we need to draw a butterfly?
Markers.
That's right, we need a black marker so we can draw the outline. We like to use these thick black markers, but you can use pencil or anything else. And what else do we need?
Pens.
Yeah, colouring pens. We've got more markers here, pens.
Oil pastels.
Oil pastels is right. You can use paint, colouring pencils, whatever you want to make it nice and colourful and look really awesome. And the last thing we need?
Paper.
Paper, that's right. We need something to draw on. So, excellent. So we hope that you follow along and have lots of fun. So let's get started. Alrighty, we've got our markers ready. Okay, we've got our paper here. Now, to draw a butterfly, this is going to be quite a lot of fun, and we're going to use a lot of shapes. So I think we're going to use a lot of circles to make this butterfly. So let's just start with drawing the head. So we are going to draw a big, nice circle like this. Cool. Good job. Yep, and that's the head. We're going to make it nice and round. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So I think we're going to draw another little circles in here. That'll kind of nicely fill up that space there, like that. Awesome, that is looking good. So it's quite easy. There's going to be lots and lots of little circles. And then so that's the eyeball, and then we're going to draw the pupil in here. Another one like that, and another one in here like this. Yeah, and then we're going to give it like a little highlight on it. We're going to make another little circle in the corner of that circle, like that. Good job. And then the rest of the space here, we can just quickly colour that in like that. There we go, it's starting to look like a face already. And then of course, the butterfly has a mouth. So I think we're going to make a happy butterfly, because I think butterflies are quite happy to fly around the garden in summer, flapping their wings. And there we go, good job. Alrighty, now the other thing that a butterfly has is got little antennas on its head. So we're going to draw a couple of antennas, and you know, they all come in different shapes and sizes, but I think it would be nice if we draw kind of like a bit of a curly one. I think that will look quite cool. So we go up here like this, and then around. But you can draw it any shape you want. Cool, there we go. And of course, we do one on the other side, and around. Like that. Awesome, that is looking really good. So we're doing really well. We've already got the head together. Now remember, you can stop and pause the video at any time if you need a bit more time to do your drawing. All right, so the next part is, we've done the head, the butterfly needs a body. All right, so this is going to be, it looks like kind of like a big egg, kind of an oval shape. I think we'll do that. I think that will look cute on him. So we go around like that and make it round at the bottom, then go up. So it's a little bit long, like an egg shape. Awesome. That is looking really good. And now on the body, a butterfly normally has lots of patterns and shapes. So I think what we'll do is maybe we'll draw some lines, because I think we can colour those later on. We can colour those lines all different colours. So I'm just going to make a little curve like that, and draw another curve, and I think I'll do one more. So it looks like he's wearing a belt. Yeah, awesome. Now you can do little spots or other shapes. It's really up to you. So there you go, it's looking like a butterfly already, sort of. Kind of looks like a bit like a caterpillar, which is before he becomes a butterfly. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is he needs some wings. So we're going to draw some, again, like really big oval egg shapes, and we're going to draw two that joins together. So first of all, we will draw one here that goes like this. So that's one part, that's the top part, and then we draw another similar shape, but maybe a little bit smaller on the bottom here. Go around and join up like that. So it's got one wing. Now of course butterfly can't fly one wing, it will just go around in circles, so we'll do the same on the other side. So draw again a nice big one over here, like that. And again, like on the other side, we'll draw a smaller one there as well. Good job. There we go. That is looking awesome. Now, do you want to learn an interesting fact about butterflies? Yeah, did you know that some butterflies, they can actually taste with their feet. So they walk around on the plants, on the flower and the leaves, they can actually taste what it tastes like by walking on it with their feet, which is quite amazing. That would be quite weird because we taste with our mouth and our tongue, but they can taste with their feet. So that's really interesting. All right, so we've done the wings. Now the next thing, normally butterfly, we notice that they've got lots of cool patterns and colours on their wings. And so that's what we're going to do now. And you can do all sorts of different shapes and patterns that you like. This is the fun part. But to make it nice and easy and to kind of continue what we've done, we're going to be using a lot of basic shapes, a lot of circles and some oval shapes there as well. So what I'm going to do, I think I will do another little long oval shape like this. And there, yeah, you can do that. And then another one on the bottom, like that. And we can later on we can colour those in different colours. All right. Then I think what I'll do is I'll put some spots because I see lots of butterflies have lots of spots on it. We can colour those in lots of nice colours. There we go, and we'll do one. Or maybe do two on the bottom there. Yeah, good job. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So again, same pattern. Do that kind of oval shape there. And do another oval shape there as well. And then, good job, Natasha. It's looking awesome. And we'll draw some circles. So I think I'll do 3 on the top. And I will do another one there. Alrighty, so there you go, that is looking good, Natasha. So there you go, we've got our butterfly. Now the next step is to add some colour. Alright, so this is where we're going to speed up the video a little bit, and when we come back, we'll have these all coloured up and we'll have a look to see what they look like. Alrighty, there we go, we've finished colouring it in. As you can see here, it's very bright and colourful like butterfly. Miss Natasha here, you've used lots of colourful markers, which is really awesome. You could add lots of extra spots. And what you're doing is actually a really good idea. You've got all this extra space around the butterfly. You can add more butterflies, or now you can add a flower in there as well. So you can really fill up the space as much as you like. And this is just an idea. You can do different patterns, different colours, whatever you like. And with mine, what I've done is I've gone over the outline with my marker again to make it a little bit thicker and just tidy up the lines a little bit. But I use colouring pencils because I like to colour with colouring pencils. So there you go. We hope you had lots of fun. And remember, if your drawings look a little different to ours, that's okay. You know, as long as you had a lot of fun and you practice every day as well. But yes, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.